In looking at the current completed map, we can see that there is no connection between the information flow and the physical process flow. In a lean system, everyone should know what they are making, how many they are making, and when they are making it. The next step is to integrate the information about this product from order to the shop floor. As you can see, the information flow starts with the customer placing the order to production control. Production control then converts this order into a production schedule. The typical visual tool used in operations analysis is the Kanban. We will talk more about Kanban in the next module. Plant 1 receives a production schedule and processes the parts. If there is any issue, they should communicate back to production control. With the data from observation of current operations drawn on a value stream map, we can now calculate the total lead time and value added time. Draw a timeline under the process boxes and inventory triangles. Each process box and inventory triangle should take one part to make its way through the shop flow, beginning with arrival as raw material through to shipment to the customer. The shorter your production lead time, the shorter the time between paying for raw material and getting paid for product made from those materials. A shorter production lead time will lead to an increase in inventory turns, a measure with which you may be more familiar. Lead times, in days, for each inventory triangle are calculated as follows: inventory quantity divided by the daily customer requirement. By adding the lead times through each process and through each inventory triangle in the material flow, we can arrive at a good estimate of total production lead time. At Acme Stamping, this number is 23.6 days. For maps with multiple upstream flows, use the longest time path to compute total lead time.